Good day, YouTube. It's about the 9th of February, 2018. Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, thanks for joining us. And we're going to look at another project I got coming up that I haven't revealed anyone yet. Things kind of just come to me, and I'm going to show you, and then I'll slowly tell you what we have here. Some of you recognize this. We call them a genie lift or a one-man lift. In the construction business. So back when I was an apprentice electrician, this is actually one of the very lifts that our company purchased from a rental fleet, IB Lift, no doubt. We ordered these, what we call the narrow baskets, so that if you're going up through an existing T-bar ceiling, you can fit up through there. And we use these for every day. They're workhorses. They actually work really well. They run on a 12-volt battery. You use charged battery every night. I'm not sure if this battery charger works. I did, so this thing's been sitting for years and years and years. I stuck a different battery in it, but I don't think the charger's working right, but I'll diagnose that later. So how these work is, the base is very heavy. They don't have outriggers. The base is heavy enough to keep this thing sitting on the ground, and there is a jack right here, so we could jack this thing up, which puts the wheels down. We're jacking the wheels down. Crash. And then you can roll it. It's going to be very hard to roll on the gravel, but on a smooth concrete floor it rolls fairly easily. And then this knob here releases the hydraulic jack, and it sets it down on these stands right there, one on each corner. Two of them have leveling screws on them in case the floor is a little out of square, because you have to have it level and bring all of the lights up on here. That one tells you power's on. That jack is set. That one is set. On the gravel, the other two are having difficulty. And a little bit of wiggling sometimes helps, but sometimes you have to go drop that screw, which will put pressure back here, and you'll bring both of those lights on. Once all the lights are on, the thing should work. Now, over the years, the key had got lost, so the key was bypassed. There's a level sensor here that is hooked up to a level switch, which you can see some wires disconnected down there. It's been disconnected. The battery charger's broke. I don't think it works. And a number of things happened to this thing, and they finally said, you know what, it's old. Just get rid of it. And it sat around for too long, many years. And I had a need, and they had a need to have it go away. Never to carry people again. It's just simply too old. It has served its purpose. And as a man lift, it needs to go away. Now, let me tell you what I've got in mind. So, I have a mobile DJ business, and I have large speakers. Picture this. I take the basket off of this. I build a square steel frame that goes all the way around. And then I build stands and strap down points to put 4 speakers on this. You know, one going that way, one going that way, one going this way. But the ability to move them and aim them. Then I plug them all into cables and send them 10-15 feet in the air. I can now get over cars and crowds and people and parades and on and on and on. And I have possibly the coolest speaker, I'm going to call it like the Tower of Power, if you will, a speaker riser machine that there is. And the interesting thing is this thing's a little heavy just to put in the van or the step van. Plus it takes up a lot of room, and it's fairly tall. So the cool thing would be to build it onto a trailer. It's not light, but it's not heavy. I'm thinking it is, I'm thinking it's like 750 pounds. That's what I think it weighs, 800 pounds, somewhere in there. Because of that's like 2-inch solid steel, you can see that. To give it that real heavy base. So I was looking at trailers, and even the trailer that I have, and I thought, you know what I need to do is build a heavy-duty trailer, not so much bigger than the frame that I'm going to build for this thing. So maybe something in the 5x6, 5x7 range. So I went on Amazon and look at this. So I ordered basically a trailer in a box without the frame. So it's a 3,500 pound made in USA axle. Got 2 fenders, 2 wheels and tires, and in that box on my wood pile there are the springs, the shackles, the fender back plates, and whatever else. Oh, there's lights, a hitch, the tongue hitch, the Y version, so it'll be an A-frame type tongue, and the tongue jack in that box. All I don't have is the steel. So this weekend I'll get this thing measured up and figure out what size of trailer it is that I wish to build. Then I'll figure out what my steel order looks like, and then next week I'll get the steel. Probably be a couple weeks before I build the trailer, but I'll have everything here to do it with. Wheels and tires look okay. They're 205 7515. Should be good to go. So that's another project, and this is February 9th. I need this done by the 1st of April. I would like to use this, my first car show of the year. It'd be the first Saturday in April, whatever date that is. So I've got a goal in mind, but I also have an event coming up here at the barn, so I can't start on this for a few weeks. So it's going to be in the month of March we build this. So we're going to take the basket off. We're going to build a steel frame, and then we're going to build a steel trailer, and we got a month to do it. Oh boy. So that's the next project coming up. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one as you watch this project grow. How would you like to be that guy? Bummer. Yeah, these things are a little heavy for going down slopes like that. I did want to show you, though, that after you fiddle with it for a minute, get it leveled up, that I did get it to function, which is great, because it's been sitting around a long time. It didn't really want to go when I first fired it up, but that would be the up, 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 up. That's not near as high as it'll go, it's just as high as I can reach. And then turn it the other way, push the button, and down it comes. Ta-da! That's kill switch. That's kill switch. And then key is gone. So, looks like I don't have much as far as repairs, and I had no idea what the condition of this thing was in. I haven't used it in 25 years. Anyway, it's good to go. Little bonus footage for you.